nag-e-end ang relationship, mahal pa rin naman nila yung isa't isa. Itong dalawa, yung isa, they both want to fight for each other. But the other person's way is to let go and grow on his own and grow with God. And the other one wants to stay and fight for what they have. And both are valid. Pero hindi naman pwedeng dalawa yung way mo. Kahit may reason ka, kahit alam mo yung reason kung bakit you had to separate ways, even if you know that that's for your best, masakit pa rin eh. Na kung mahirap man magpaalam, mas mahirap magpatawad. Mahirap magpatawad ng mga mahal mo, mahirap magpatawad ng sarili. It was really one of my notes to self that I have to forgive myself. And I have to forgive my past. And a lot of people don't give people chances. But everyone changes. And
Right. And sometimes we give other people chances, but not ourselves.
yes.
Bakit mas maraming nagpapaalam kaysa sa nagpapatawad?
Maling umalis kaysa i-point yung blind spots ng mga mahal natin sa buhay. Imbes na i-point natin yon and make that person feel that, hey, I wanna protect you, I wanna love you. Pag nasaktan tayo, pero nakita natin na ganun, aalis na lang tayo. And oftentimes, we don't realize that hurting people hurt people.